As you can already tell by the title of this video what it's going to be about, and I'm basically going to be doing a review on this new hair that I was just browsing through on Amazon, and we're gonna do a review and get into it. So first, they send your hair off in this package. It's pink and it looked like this, and what I have is the 28-inch, and we're gonna open it up and see. Like I said, this is a new company and they have already aware of me that they're trying to expand their business, you know, to get the word out and to get everybody to try, you know, their product. So I'm spreading the word, and when I open it, they leave a cute little note, and it's by, I think it's called Serwell company, and it's new, and they left a little note on the back. It's too bright, hold on, back for you to read. And like I said before, it's called Serwell Hair Service, Serwell, and I'm gonna leave the link down below on where I ordered this hair from, but I'm gonna go ahead and read the note to y'all so y'all can understand what I was saying in the beginning. So it says, Serwell Hair Service, dear customer, thanks for your order in our store. We are building up our brand. Please message me to be our brand ambassador, and we will give every customer $10 through $15 or free hair as thanks for sharing our brand on any app, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok as you like. The most important, if you have any problems with our products, please contact me anytime. I'm going to try my best to solve it until you are satisfied. So I'm going to be trying this hair. This is my first time. Actually, I've never heard of them, but let's just get with the video. So in this little baggie, they seal it off in this cute little pink bag, like a big little Ziploc bag. And inside, they give you 2 wig caps. They give you 2 wig caps. And they also gave me 2 cute little hair ties. Now for the hair, let's see. Oh, and the hair I have, it's a 28-inch, and it's a 4x4 closure. As you know, it already comes in a net so the hair won't get tangled up. It feels really nice. So this is the hair. Like I said, it's 28 inches, and this is the closure part of it. It's a lace closure. It looks like this behind it. It comes with 2 combs on the side and also in the back. Also, an adjustable strap for you to adjust it and clamp it on in the back. And as well as when you guys get ready, if you do order this hair, don't forget to cut that excess lace off down here at the back. But overall, I like the way the hair feels. It don't have a bad smell to it. You know, normally when you go online and you order the hair, it have like a bad foul smell to it. This one, it don't really have a smell at all. And I'm running my fingers through it. No tangles. I'm gonna see if I get any shedding. I have 1 piece of hair. Just one long little piece. You probably can't really see that, but yeah. Overall, from a scale of 1 through 10, I'm gonna rate them a 10. This is right up my alley. It's just like any other hair that I will order from. I'm not gonna do a video of me installing this hair on my head today, but I will do one tomorrow. I just wanted to give you guys a quick review on this hair. But like I said, if you guys want to try this hair out, you can go to their website, their actual website. I found them through Amazon, like I said earlier, and you can just go to serwell.com, and they're also under Amazon, Instagram, and as well as Facebook. And I will leave down their Instagram and WhatsApp, and also their email down below. And I will link down below the direct link of this hair. This hair was really a good legit price. Like, this hair was under $200. I think I paid about $195 for this 28-inch, and normally you would get 28-inch hair for like almost $300. Like, you really can't beat that, and it's good quality hair. I believe this is grade 9A. I want to say 9A. When I looked online and saw the grade of the hair, that's what really made me want it. And it's very silky, stiff wear, not this hair. But yeah, y'all need to get into this Serwell. Check them out. They got good legit prices for good quality hair. You will not be disappointed. I can't stop rubbing my fingers through it because it just feels so lovely. And I did not get this hair. I got it from another company off Amazon, but this is good quality hair. It's a good price. You won't be disappointed. Like, y'all should really try out this hair, like, seriously. But I'm gonna do a video of me tweaking it just a little bit, not too much, because the part is already deep enough. I'm gonna have to put some little tint on there to make the lace my color of my skin, of course. And it's already kind of pre-plucked. The front, I forgot to mention that it's pre-plucked a little bit, but it's not plucked to my liking, so I'm gonna just go over it and like re-pluck it some more. Yeah. Thank y'all for tuning into this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. That's the main thing. Subscribe to this video. And I'm going to see y'all in the next one when I'm putting this baby on my head. Again, my name is Pretty LaShawn, if y'all don't know. See y'all in the next video. Everybody be blessed.